It may be smack dab in the middle of summer vacation, but we can do a little bit of educational science fun here on Fox 45 this morning. I'm joined by Joe from COSI in Columbus, and we're gonna do a little bit of an experiment this morning. Joe, can you tell me a little bit about what's steaming, what's smoking here?
Well, this is a cloud that is forming because I have some liquid nitrogen in this bottle. The liquid nitrogen is the coldest stuff that you'll probably ever see. It's 321 degrees below zero. And I poured some into my bottle here, and you can see it's actually boiling just here at outside temperature. What I'm going to do is I'm going to screw the cap onto this, and that gas that's expanding has nowhere to go, so it's going to blow up the bottle. Before I do that, I'm going to put it into our bucket of water here, and I'm going to have you dump some more balls on top, and that explosion is going to carry the balls up. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let me know when I need to dump them in.
All right, here we go.
All right. And we need to get away.
We're gonna back up.
All right. All right. So dump it in.
Okay,
and
go.
Balls in.
And back away and cover your ears.
All right. The anticipation is pretty intense right here.
That's right. The water is making the nitrogen boil a little faster than it normally would.
Wow.
And now our balls have exploded all over the parking lot here.
All right, well, you weren't kidding here. This was incredible, and you're saying this is happening because of the compression of the gas inside of the bottle because of the temperature difference, correct?
That's right. So you can see that the nitrogen is always boiling just by landing on the ground there. So the gas takes up more space than it was when it was a liquid. It's got nowhere to go inside that bottle. Boom.
Boom. And you can do this and many more experience over at your location in Columbus, right?
That's right. We do some demos of liquid nitrogen every day on our gadget stage, and we got a lot of fun things going on this summer for our cosmic summer, like our traveling exhibit, Be the Astronaut, which is really cool.
That's awesome. And I understand you guys have some events for adults as well.
That's right. Those are the programs that I run. We have COSI After Dark is once a month where we open up the building just to adults. So you can have a drink, you can push all the buttons, and not have to feel like you're taken away from one of the kids.
That's fantastic. So COSI, it doesn't end when you're become an adult. You can do all the fun experiments anytime you want.
That's right.
If you want to go visit, they're located at 333 West Broad Street. That's just to the west of downtown Columbus. And I would say this was a pretty fun time. Well, thank you very much for making the drive to Dayton.
Thanks for having me.
And I think we're going to be all right here, out here in the, even though we had a little bit of a boom outside this morning.
Well, we've got no clouds in the sky, but we've got a cloud here on the ground.
See, we're even making a little bit of weather.
That's right.
And speaking of weather, let's send it into Greg to see if we're going to have some clouds coming our way later this afternoon.